feel comfortable saying that what's happening now to the Palestinian people is another Holocaust. And they're still saying, Alhamdulillah.
Muslim Palestinians still seeing them say Allah is all-knowing.
فليش عايشين؟ وش خسارة في ربنا؟ الله خلقنا والله بياخدنا، الله يفعل ما يريد واحنا الحمد لله صابرين.
Palestinians are doing everything that was described Job doing in the Bible.
I've not seen any footage of Palestinian people cursing Jewish people or Israeli people. These are people of God.
I know these people were blessed by Allah himself.
They all hold faith with such an indomitable hope.
They don't give up about this life, okay? The only thing these people fear is Allah. That's it.
If this is the campaign to get nations to be Islamic, it's doing it.
I've been shocked to my core at the faith Muslim people have. What is happening in Palestine has opened my eyes to the beauty of Islam.
That's something that people don't get to see often. Definitely not here in the West.
Into the Bible, asking logical questions were not allowed. When I read through the Quran, I see logic and divinity brought together.
The result of that is on social media, I have seen so many people picking up the Quran and reading it.
Through, this entire thing with Palestine, so many more people are learning about Islam. So many more people are reading the Quran. You're gonna have a lot of people turning to Islam soon.
It's happening again. It's like all these people. I see Quran book club. I see people deciding to convert to Islam because they're like, well, what is really going on here?
I just bought my first copy of the Quran.
I got the Quran.
I started reading the Quran.
It's my day 2 in reading the Quran.
How Palestinians literally are thanking God.
Seeing the brave Palestine people
as they're losing everything.
So much faith and peace while their families are being murdered.
In the United States, we need a lot more empathy and understanding of Muslims in the Arab world.
I need to know what y'all put in Islam, okay?
Just from reading the second surah, I'm like, I get it. I understand why there's such a steadfast faith to anyone that follows Islam. Being shown just how wrong we were about this faith and how rich, how deep, and just the language of it. How fluid and beautiful it is.
We've been lied to. The Western